Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I just got a package in that I pre-ordered because I do own a laptop. It's a lot harder using the scale laptop I have versus what I'm usually used to using. So what I ordered just came in. So let's see how it looks inside. Now let me see what's inside. Let me scoot this back a little bit, so don't freak out that you're moving backwards. It's just me moving my computer back. Alright. Got a one box. Excuse me. And we have two boxes. So everything does get recycled. Sorry about that. Static electricity is so much fun. Alright. Let's start with this first. This is what it looks like. And here's what it looks like. Ooh, it's a bit cold. It came off the Amazon check. Excuse me a minute. Sorry about that. But this is what it looks like. Scroll button. Back and forth button. I'm left-handed, so it's going to sit like this on my hand. For other people, they're right-handed, so let's test this out. Unplug my mouse I'm using. Sorry. Now let's plug in the new mouse. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but it's red and it changes colors. See? These on the side don't do anything. They're just there for show, but I really like it. Nice mouse. So let me unplug this one and put my original one back in. Sorry about the shaking. The reason why I'm putting this up away is because I'm waiting for my new desk to come in. So it's just one of those things. There we go. Okay. I love the blue color on this. It took me some time to find the color I was looking for keyboard and mouse. I was lucky to find one that had both. Sorry about the shaking again. So, the main feet. Here's the front. Here's the back. Alright, here we go. Come on. Opening. This box apparently does not like me. Oh, it's so beautiful. And this is what it looks like. Let's take it out. Oh. Came with this little instruction book. I think that's what it is. But that's what the inside looks like. See? Set that aside. I'm going to set this down. Let's take a quick look. I have no clue what it says, so I will Google translate it later into the box. Alright. So beautiful. Let's take it out of the plastic. Here we go. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, what the fluff? Alright. These. Quick FYI, I don't like these. These are used. I'll explain that later. But look at how beautiful this keyboard is. It clicks. people are gonna hate this. But that's how I grew up, was using keyboards that make noises. And they have these little feet on them too. See, on both sides. Oh, I don't know what some of the stuff is on here, but I'll figure this out. But these are used to remove keys, like I don't want to really pull one of my keys off, but it just goes on like this and just pulls off. I don't like these because they actually damage the keyboards and it damaged the keys. So you have one of these, get rid of it and find something else. These are monsters. They destroy keyboards. So, okay, unplug my phone. Let's untie this a little bit. So everything is recycled. Everything is taken care of. I don't let anything go to the landfill if it's not supposed to be there. I even do compost. I love the cord. All right. Put a cap. All right. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that amazing? Here, I'm gonna unplug it one more time. I'll unplug it so you guys can see it from the beginning. There we go. Look how cool that is. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I just love it so much. It was pretty expensive for the keyboard and mouse set. You couldn't buy one without the other, and I just think it's beautiful on so many levels. This way it will make it so much easier for me to be able to do what I'm used to doing with what I do now versus of having to use a laptop keyboard. Which some people are used to using laptops. I'm not a big fan of laptops, even though I do own one and I use one for making my videos. It's just the keypads. You know, I got a little bigger hands, you know, and I prefer having a bigger keyboard anyways and having a TemPad. This is a TemPad. I was taught how to use one in high school, so I can do both left and right TemPads. But this is a beautiful keyboard, beyond of a shadow of a doubt. I will be letting them know how much I appreciate the coloring and the texture and how it beautifully looks and reminds me of a typewriter. It's beautiful. I love it to death. So I will leave the link in the description box below of where you can get this at. But it's so beautiful. I love it. I might just switch my mouse out for now and just say screw it. I know my desk is going to be here by tomorrow, from what I read. I'm not going to review my desk because of how big it is. But if you do, I'll make a quick little TikTok video for you guys if you go to my TikTok. Most of my TikTok has my cats and a few other things on there. But let me know what your favorite part about my mouse and keyboard is. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Please stay smiling, stay optimistic, and have a great day.